Hello guys, kain tayo. So napaluto ng spaghetti si Kulit, tapos kagabi nagmarinate na ako ng chicken wings. So ayan, yan ay wine chicken wings. Nilasing na chicken wings. Tapos ito, yung aking cheesy macaroni at meron pa yung tirang broccoli. So yan lang ang aming lunch for today.